Hi guys! Magandarang umaga sa atin pong lahat. I hope guys na maayos pa ang panahon dyan sa inyo. So mukhang si Pipito ay ayaw pong magpapigil at patuloy pong sasalanta sa atin pong lugar, sa atin pong bansa. Anyway, ingat po ano? At kaya medyo maaga ang ating update upang sa gayon ay bago po mawala ng kuryente sa inyo pong mga lugar, maka-update na po kayo sa Kimpawa. Anyway, andito na naman nga po akong muli nagbabalik. Nagmamaganda po rin yung kachismos ang Kimpaw upang magatid sa inyo ng latest update and the fresh happenings patungkol kay Kim Chu and Paulo Avellino. And para sa umagang ito, alam ko ikatutuwa nyo ang ating update dahil si Paulo Avellino 9 years ago ay ipinanalangin na pala talaga si Kimi. So destined talaga po ang Kimpaw. As in talagang kung titingnan po natin ang history ni Kim Chu and Paulo ay masasabi mo na destiny ang gumawa ng paraan. Samantala, bago po tayo magsimula, nais ko po muna anyayahin kayo sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe dito sa ating channel, maaari lamang napindutin po ninyo ang subscribe button at pakidamay na rin po ng notification bell para mag-updated po kayo at ma-notify tuwing may bago tayong chika at balita hinggil sa Kimpaw. Basta po may kinalaman kay Kim and Paulo Avellino, sagot na natin yan. And eto na nga guys, para sa umagang ito, simulan na natin. Meron pong nag-post ng kwento ng Kim Pao and ang nakakatuwa dito sa kanyang pagsasalaysay ay happy ending si Kim Chu and Paolo. But eto po muna tayo sa post ni Paolo Avellino noon na 9 years ago, year 2015, na hinahangad po niya at pinupush talaga niya. Talagang pinupush ni Paolo na makatambal si Kimi. Noon na pagkalipat po niya sa ABS-CBN, si Kim Chu talaga gusto niya makapartner and then nagmagawa talaga ng paraan si Papi Paulo Avellino para maka-team up niya si Kimi, si Kim Chu. Nag-post pa po siya para paingayin ang mga tao kung sakasakali na gustuhin din ng mga tao yung team up nila. Pero napakagaling po ng Panginoon. Kasi hinayaan po ng Panginoon na sa right time mag-team up yung dalawa. Kasi kaya medyo matagal, dekada pang inintay ni Paulo ay palagay ng Panginoon. Kung sakaling didinggin agad niya ang panalangin ni Paulo, ay baka hindi rin magtagal. So, in God's perfect time talaga. Tingnan niyo naman kung gaano ka-successful ang Kimpaw ngayon. Si Paulo ayaw niya na nagtatagal sa isang love team. Pero tingnan nyo, nakailan na silang dalawa ni Kim Chu. Lil lang, what's wrong with Secretary Kim? And magkaka-movie pa silang dalawa. So I hope lang din po sa 2025 mas maraming blessings na project ang Kim Pao na silang dalawa yung magkasama, magka-team upang sa gayon magka-partner, upang sa gayon masampal natin sa mga nagsasabing pagdating ng 2025 unang putok sa bagong taon, goodbye Kim Pao na raw. Ay, grabe. Iba rin, ibang level yung pagka-haters ng mga to, gigil na gigil eh. Anyway, ito na nga guys, ang post po ni Papi Paulo, February 3, 2015. So, 2015 pa po ito. Hashtag Kim Pao Team Up. Why not? Ano sa tingin nyo? And to be honest guys, nakala ko lang to, eme-eme sa pagkadilulo. Pero hindi. Talagang post po siya ni Papi Paulo. Chinek ko siya sa kanya pong account. As in, talagang gumawa ako ng paraan to search this and legit. Post talaga siya ni Papi Paulo year 2015 pa. O di pa pinapadalangin na ni Paulo 9 years ago. Ito pong team up nila ni Kim Chu. Grabe, iba rin manalangin si Paulo. And alam nyo guys, masasabi ko na destiny ang Kim Pao. Destiny ni Paulo si Kim Chu. Kasi nung nagbasa rin po ako ng mga comments doon na grabihan. Ayan lahat ng comments na mababasa nyo doon, wala, Casey lang daw, Casey lang forever. Ang dami lahat as in, Casey lang forever, Casey lang sapat na, Casey lang ay or ang bagay sa kanya. Ang dami pa yan guys. Puro Casey daw mas bagay. Much better. And guys, don't worry. Alam ko naman na si Casey Concepcion ang tinutukoy po nila dito. As in si Casey Concepcion. But, 'di ba guys, pero kung iisipin nyo, Casey rin itong si Kimi. Ibang Casey pala yung much better. Ibang Casey pala yung mas bagay. Ibang Casey pala yung forever ni Paulo. Casey as in Kim Chu, o 'di ba? Grabehan. So, dito mo makikita talagang destiny ang Kim Pao. Naging endgame eh. Anyway, speaking of endgame, meron tayong nabasa. So, sinulat po ito sa account ni Paulo and ang title, The Waiting Game. For 15 years, Paulo, a rising actor in the showbiz industry, harbored the secret admiration for Kim, a talented actress whose career had always been ahead of his. He had watched her rise to fame, wishing every time he saw her on screen that he could be the one standing next to her. He auditioned for projects hoping to be cast alongside her, but the stars never aligned. It didn't help that Kim was in a long-term relationship with Sian, another well-known actor. Paulo admiration grew in silence as he respected her happiness and kept his feelings to himself. As years passed, Paulo moved on his career and even found himself in a short relationship with Casey and serious relationship with Jodie, a fellow actress. They spent 4 years together, but deep down, Paulo knew his heart wasn't fully in it, though the latest was a great partner. They're not Kim. Despite this, he remained loyal and focused on building his career. Meanwhile, Kim's relationship with Sian faced turbulence behind the scenes. Rumors reeled in the media, but they kept their issues private, maintaining their image as a strong couple. Paulo, unaware of the cracks forming in Kim's relationship, continued to watch her from afar, never expecting that things could change. Ay, grabihan mga kakimpaw, lakas maka-Wattpad. At doon nagsimula ang pagbabago ng lahat. Charot! One day, Paulo got a surprising call from his agent. He had been offered a lead role in a romantic drama, and the actress cast opposite him was none other than Kim. He couldn't believe it. After 15 long years, his dream of working with her was finally within reach. He accepted the role without hesitation. On set, their chemistry was undeniable. For the first time, Paulo got to know Kim beyond the screen persona he had admired for so long. They shared stories, laughter, and even moments of vulnerability. Ay, iba talagang pang Wattpad ang story ng Kim Pao. Kim had just gone through a painful breakup with Sian, and Paulo was there to offer support as a friend and co-star. The lines between fiction and the reality began to blur. Their on-screen romance translated into real life, and they found themselves falling for each other. Kim is still healing from her breakup or was cautious, but Paulo made his feelings clear. He had waited years for this moment, not just to work with her, but to be with her. Kim hesitated at first, aware of Paulo's history and reputation in the industry. She knew he had a habit of getting close to his co-stars but never fully committing. Yet, as they spent more time together, she saw a side of him no one else had. Paulo had matured over the years, and his feelings for her were genuine. After filming wrapped up, they decided to give their relationship a chance. The industry buzzed with the news of their unexpected pairing, but they didn't care. For Paulos, it was a dream come true, and for Kim, it was a fresh start she needed. They had both been through their fair share of heartbreaks, but now they had finally found each other. Their relationship blossomed, proving that sometimes the right person comes at the right time, even if it takes 15 years. Ay, bongga mga auntie, talagang happy ending ang Kimpaw. And dahil dito sa pagsasalaysay sa kwento ng Kimpaw, ang sarap pala naisip ko guys. Ngayon ko na-realize na pwede pala, maganda pala na gawing kuwento at ipalabas po sa sinihan o kaya po ay gawing teleserye yung kwento ng Kimpaw. Hindi ba buhayin nila? Ang ganda as in, grabe mala Koreana, mala Wattpad talaga guys. So kayo po, anong inyong masasay patungkol dito? Pa-comment ka lang po dyan sa baba and don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell for more updates. Maraming salamat!